Hey there, my beautiful viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you the top 10 habits that will make you more attractive and help you win people's hearts. So if you're ready to become a magnet for positive vibes and charm, let's dive right in. Habit 1. Positive attitude. First things first, having a positive attitude is key. People are drawn to those who radiate positivity. Smile often, focus on the good things in life, and spread that contagious positivity wherever you go. Habit 2. Active listening. Next up is active listening. When someone speaks, truly listen to them. Show genuine interest by maintaining eye contact, nodding, and asking thoughtful questions. This makes people feel valued and appreciated. Habit 3. Authenticity. Be yourself. Embrace your uniqueness and don't be afraid to show it. People are naturally attracted to authenticity. So let your true self shine through and watch how others are drawn towards your genuine personality. Habit 4. Empathy. Empathy is a superpower that instantly makes you more likable. Put yourself in others' shoes, understand their feelings, and be there for them when they need support. Empathy creates deep connections with people. Habit 5. Confidence. Confidence is magnetic. Stand tall, speak with conviction, and believe in yourself. When you exude confidence, people are naturally drawn to your energy and want to be around you. Habit 6. Kindness. Kindness costs nothing but means everything. Small acts of kindness can have a huge impact on others. Be compassionate, help those in need, and spread kindness like confetti. Habit 7. Humor. Laughter is the best medicine, and it also makes you incredibly attractive. Develop your sense of humor, crack jokes, and bring smiles to people's faces. A good sense of humor creates bonds and breaks down barriers. Habit 8. Personal growth. Invest in your personal growth. Continuously learn, improve your skills, and broaden your horizons. People admire those who strive to become the best version of themselves. Habit 9. Respect. Treat others with respect and kindness, regardless of their background or opinions. Respect is a fundamental pillar of attracting people towards you. Show respect, and you'll earn respect. Habit 10. Gratitude. Lastly, practice gratitude. Express appreciation for the little things in life and acknowledge the efforts of others. Gratitude not only makes you more attractive, but also brings happiness into your own life. Remember, my beautiful viewers, these 10 habits will not only make you more attractive, but will also help you build meaningful connections with people. As the great Maya Angelou once said, people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. So go out there, spread love, and make a positive impact on the world. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more empowering content. Until next time, stay beautiful and keep shining.